In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add channel breakout strategy in TradingView Pro. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the strategy inside TradingView, how to apply it to your chart, and how to get set up with TradingView Pro if you don't already have an account. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at. Stocks, forex, crypto, or indices. Just open any chart so we have something to work with. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators and strategies menu. In most layouts, you'll see a button or icon labeled indicators. Sometimes it also says strategies or indicators and strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens a panel where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools. Inside this panel, you'll notice there are different tabs or sections. One of them is called Strategies. If you're not already on that tab, click into it. Strategies are a bit different from regular indicators because they include backtesting logic. That means they can simulate trades on historical price data and help you see how a particular approach might have performed in the past. With the Strategies section open, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to look for channel breakout strategy. Typing a few letters like channel break should be enough for it to appear. Once you see channel breakout strategy in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you click it, TradingView will automatically add the strategy to your current chart. You'll start to see visual entries and exits, along with profit and loss information in the strategy tester panel. If you don't see the tester right away, you can usually open it from the bottom of the screen. This is where you can review performance metrics, tweak settings, and experiment with different symbols or timeframes. If you're not on TradingView Pro yet and you want more advanced features, better data, or additional saved charts, check out the link in the description. Using that link, you can sign up for TradingView Pro and unlock the full experience, including smoother backtesting and more indicators on your charts at the same time. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, go to Indicators and Strategies, select the Strategies tab, and add the Channel Breakout strategy to start testing it on your favorite markets.